Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you what is inside this box that I received today. This is a package I received from this brand, Tibaldi. Tibaldi is an Italian brand, a very old one that is being relaunched with a different concept, and I got one pen today from them, and I will talk about it in the next videos. But today let's just open it, trying not to ruin anything. So I think we have here a safe space for my Victorinox knife. Okay, we have a book. Okay, and I think I can extract it now. And this is a book about Tibaldi. That's a nice thing to check. It talks about the history. Okay, I guess this will be a nice and interesting book. Let me just show you the contents. Tibaldi Company from 1916. So, as I told you, it is a really old company, more than 100 years. And then it is. They talk about that, about the history there. So I'm quite interested in looking at it and to know more about the brand and their models and their history before I make other videos about the pen that I have here. So maybe I can get, when I do the review, some more historical context. So that wrapping goes away. And we have here a very simple box. Tibaldi, right from the heart. And let's rip this off. Just some protective plastic away. And here we have a cardboard box, very simple. And Tibaldi, right from the heart, and tibaldi.com, their website, and I can open it here. This is a very simple package. Something that I read from them is that they care about the environment, and so they try to do some very simple packaging. So this is not the real package, this is just a box to ship the pen. And with compliments from Tibaldi. And let's take the black box away also. And here we have the fountain pen that we know it has a fine nib. Very nice red cardboard that says Tibaldi there, Tibaldi again there. These slides out, and this box is really nice. So you have Tibaldi there and the logo on the side, and Tibaldi.com. Beautiful packaging. And I think these slides also, yes. This is very snug, so very minimalistic, these kind of packaging. A black pen, a very black pen. Inside we have a little card with instructions there, a certificate of warranty, and 2 fountain pen cartridges. Okay, but we don't care that much about that. Let's take a look at the pen. I think this pen is really beautiful. it's a little hard to show it because of the lights, because it's very, very reflective. It is made of resin, very black, dark, very shiny, and here it is, the nib. Tibaldi. It is a fine nib, and it has kind of a half or 2/3 of their logo engraved there. Beautiful. And I have to read there because they say where it comes apart. I did not catch it, but I'll have to check more about this pen, and then I'll let you know. So they say here that to refill, unscrew the top pen section where indicated. Okay, so we have to unscrew that part. Okay, no much force is needed. It opens, this is kind of, well, and it has a very beautiful long converter. This is nice. The pen really has a very vintage feeling, let's call it like that. And even this unscrewing section is quite interesting. This makes for no threads appear. The threads are on the bottom of the section, which is something very vintage-like. As far as I know, this is I didn't talk about it, this is a pen made in Italy, and this model, I don't think I told you before, this model is called, it's there the name, it is called Perfecta. And Perfecta, as far as I already understood, Perfecta is one of their first models of fountain pens. So this is a recreation of their vintage model. So the Perfecta, this is a reissue, a modern relaunching of the old Perfecta. So this is a pen that I'm going to fill and use, I guess, a lot for some time. And I will let you know what I think about it. And this is beautiful to see the umbrella on such a, the light umbrella there in such a shiny surface. I will show you about the pen. This is very, very stylish. I really enjoy it, but I will stop talking about it today because this will deserve a good review and with some historical background. So this is what I had to show you. I have to thank Tibaldi for sending me such a modern vintage pen, or a vintage modern pen, I don't know. And I thank you all for watching, and if you are interested in them, check their website, that tibaldi.com, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you next video. Bye.